Alright, I am not going to gatekeep this any longer, but I have one of the best heatless curl like recipes or methods that I've come up with so far, and so I want to show it to you guys. So what you need is 2 pairs of long socks. Even if you have shorter hair, I think you still need long socks, but you'll see why. You need 3 safety pins, preferably ones that are a little bit bigger, about this size. And then I use these little clear elastics, and you'll need 5 of these. Ignore my lisp, I have a retainer in, so. Okay, whoops. Step number 1. You're gonna section out this front part just a little bit, not like a whole big part, but just this front. Okay, see, I didn't do that much, just a little bit. And then you're just gonna clip that. The next thing we're doing is we're taking our nails. We're gonna grab all, can you see? We're gonna grab all the crown of our hair like this. Then pull it straight up, just like this. Now we're gonna take a sock, go all the way to the end, and wrap it around. And then we're taking a little elastic and pinning it. So I'll show you real quick what that's gonna look like. So around, okay, all the way to the end, and then you're gonna take a little elastic. I can't get it. And then you're just gonna put the tie on. Okay, once we're here, we're gonna pull it straight back up, and we're gonna start twisting it down towards us. See? See what I'm doing? And now we're here. You're gonna tie it around the back of your head. This is a really bad tutorial, but that's what it's gonna look like. Next thing is we're separating these side pieces out, and we're gonna take this, and we're gonna do the exact same thing, twisting upwards like this with this one. Okay, now once this side is tied into a knot, listen, this is where it gets a little tricky. You gotta take the ends, take your safety pin, poke a tiny hole right through the ends, just like this. Okay, tiny hole, that's holding it. Now we're gonna take it and pin it to one of our middle socks that we just put up. And then close the safety pin, and ta-da, it stays up. Now we're doing the same thing on the other side. Now that we look crazy and we have the other 2, we're gonna take this piece right on down, and then just go where your part is. Mine's in the middle. Okay, now this piece is a little bit different because we're gonna have 2 hair ties on one sock. So we're taking one side, pulling it straight up, sock, and then we're only gonna pull it a little bit just because I have short hairs, so I kind of leave a little bit out. And then I'm gonna wrap the hairs around, and then I'm gonna hair tie that. So that one's going away from my face. Now I'm gonna take this piece, do the exact same thing, but instead of twisting it that way, I'm gonna twist it, I'm pulling it straight up, and I'm gonna twist it away from my face the opposite way. Oh, a little tangled. There you go. Okay, now that I've pulled that down, I don't know why there's one weird straight piece right there. What the heck? Okay, now that we pulled it down, we're gonna wrap it around the back, and we're gonna safety pin it. And then we're done. This is what it should look like. You should look absolutely insane. I'm gonna take a little bit of saltwater spray, or just some water will work fine. Just spray it. Don't soak it, but just enough. And then I sleep with it. What is that? Sorry, I don't know why that's being like that. It'll be fine, but we're gonna sleep on it. I sleep in a satin bonnet, and I think that works really well to kind of hold everything in. But as you sleep, you got a little gap in the back to lay your head here. Honestly, not that bad to sleep on, as long as you don't pull them super duper tight. You should be good. So I hope this helps. I will come back and do a reveal tomorrow. Also, before I go to bed, Merry Christmas Eve. Bye, y'all.